Wagwan everyone, my name is Kunji and this is Cooking with Kunji. Today I have here with me Susie, my wife.
Hello.
Today I'm going to teach Susie how to make carrot juice like a Jamaican. Stay tuned, macarona boy. Today we are using our Ninja blender. We've only used it twice before, so we're really gonna see how good this is at extracting all this juice from these carrots. So now that our carrots are clean and cut up, we're gonna just blend this now with about 2 cups of water. And after that, we'll do the sweetening process. Real quick and easy recipe. So what we're doing now is we're re-blending the carrot pulp one more time. This time in just 1 cup of water, trying to extract the final bit of juice out of it. This is a yield of about 10 or 11 carrots. So in a Jamaican carrot juice, a Guinness is very important. Ladies, in a Jamaican carrot juice, Guinness is very important. This is what gets the mission done. We're gonna sweeten also with some condensed milk. So right now our carrot juice is done, and we're gonna see how Susie did.
That's really good.
Man, that's so Jamaica right there. Never had this one, did you?
You have never made it for me. And technically still you have it.
So now you will make this for me. Cheers.
Cheers.
Thank you for watching this video today. Steps and ingredients are going to be in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.